Morning, guys. On today's assignment, I'm going to have you guys read a thermometer because we are going to be dealing with heat and temperature this week and next. So it's important that we know a little bit about temperature and we know a little bit about how it's measured. So that's your assignment today, is to read a thermometer. So really, there's two units of temperature: Fahrenheit, which is F, and Celsius, which is C. It's not really important right now that you know the difference between the two, but just look at the thermometer and see, does it have an F or does it have a C? And your answer needs to match that. Now, I was looking at this activity and usually it doesn't give you the option to get that wrong, but if it does, just make sure your letter on your answer matches the letter on the thermometer. The thermometer is always going to have a letter on it, F or C, Fahrenheit or Celsius. So there's one thing. The next thing is how to read the thermometer. So if I'm looking at a thermometer like this, it goes from 0 to 100, and there's every 10 is labeled. And if it's so on this one happens to be right at 20, right? The line matches up with 20. But if it wasn't, let's say, let me answer 20 and let's see if the next one might be different. Well, this one's right there. The line's right at 10. 10 what? Letter C, 10C, 10 Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius. If the line is ever between the two numbers, like let's say it was right here, it's not, it's at 80, but let's say it was right here, this would be 75. It's halfway between 70 and 80. And what's halfway between 70 and 80? 75 is halfway between 70 and 80, right? When we count from 70 to 80, we go 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. When I got to 75, I was one hand in, and then the other hand gets me to 80. So that shows me 75 is right halfway between 70 and 80. You don't need to count on your hands. 5 is always going to be halfway to 10. So 5, 75 is halfway between 70 and 80. If the line was right here, it'd be 55, halfway between 50 and 60, right? So you can think about it like that. Now, in this case, the line's right here at 80. Now, I'm going to jump to the next level because I'm the teacher and I can do that. Now, our thermometer is going to get a little more accurate. And in this one, yeah, it is showing us it's the line right between 70 and 60. Okay, what's between 70 and 60? Halfway from 70 to 60, or 60 to 70, is 65. It's right between 60 and 70. So that'll be 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now this one gets a little more tricky because the lines represent 1 degree now, not 5 degrees or 10 degrees like in the other thermometers. In this case, here's 25, here's 30, and let's count the lines: 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So each of those lines is 1 degree, and if you saw while I was counting, let's try that one more time: 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's where the line is right there, 29 degrees, and the temperature is in Celsius, 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it's really just a number line. Not every number on the number line is going to be labeled, though. The other thing to just keep aware of is the letter on the thermometer. Is it C or is it F? Okay. You got that? You should get this assignment just fine. Remember, I don't need you to get to a 100 score on any IXL assignment. Just work on it for 20, 30 minutes, whatever your schedule is, and then be done. You do not need to get to perfect 100. You don't have to keep repeating it every time to get to 100 on any of these skills. Okay, just working hard at it and learning it is good enough. All right. Good luck.